Aludecor's Nexcomb Aluminium Honeycomb Panels are an ideal solution for heavy-duty indoor wall cladding and partitions, besides being a go-to product for high-end facades. We walk you through an efficient installation method for wall cladding and partitions, the interlocking fixing system. Aludecor introduces two innovative components in its fixing system: ALPL 723, the male extrusion, ALPL 724, the female extrusion. Both extrusions are designed specifically for 25 mm thick panel. Each customized Nexcomb panel is fabricated with precision. Along its length, one end is fitted with the male extrusion ALPL 723 and the other end is fitted with the female extrusion ALPL 724. This design ensures seamless interlocking between adjacent panels. Step 1. Begin by fixing C-brackets to the upper and lower edges of the wall or substrate using anchor fasteners or screws. These are installed at calculated intervals based on design load conditions, including structural requirements. At corners, corner brackets are installed where two walls meet along the edges. Step 2. Install the panels one by one. Carefully align and connect the male extrusion of one panel into the female extrusion of the adjacent panel, creating a secure interlocking system. Step 3. Once the panels are in place, fix an aluminium locking plate at the base of the panel assembly. This provides additional structural support and ensures the panels remain securely in position. The result is a clean, durable, and visually appealing cladding system with concealed fixings and enhanced structural integrity. Nexcomb panels are the first in India to achieve A2 reaction to fire classification across a thickness range from 6 mm to 100 mm, ensuring superior fire safety performance. The uninstallation process is very easy. First, remove the aluminium locking plate. Then slide both the panels sideways and the middle panel will easily come out from the interlocking system. It can also be reinstalled easily. Nexcomb by Aludecor, India's most precision-engineered honeycomb panels.